Namaste students. This is Seema Bhardwaj on the behalf of Maths Department. Today I am going to explain next topic under the heading Introduction of Trigonometry. My next topic is trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. As you know, the complementary angles are the angles whose sum is 90 degree. So if we take any triangle ABC, in that triangle sum of three angles equals to 180 degree. And if we take angle B or any of the angles we can take, if we take angle B as 90, shifting 90 to this side, we will get angle A and angle C, sum would be 90 degree. That means what? A and C are complementary angles. We can write angle C as 90 minus A, or we can write angle A as 90 minus C. So, for explaining my topic more properly, I have taken one right angle triangle where I have taken 90 at B position. I can take theta at any of the position, so I have taken theta at position A. We can take theta at position C also. First of all, talk about theta when it is at point A. In this case, AB is base, BC is perpendicular and AC is hypotenuse. So if we try to find sine A, sine means perpendicular over hypotenuse. So we get perpendicular is BC, hypotenuse is AC. So sine A will become BC upon AC. Cos A is base upon hypotenuse. So it will be AB upon AC. But if we go for other triangle, we have taken theta at position C. In that case, just see, base and perpendicular have got interchanged. Here AB is base and here AB is perpendicular. Now if we try to find sine C, sine means perpendicular, this is perpendicular upon hypotenuse, that is AB upon AC, and cos C would be base upon hypotenuse, so it will be BC upon AC. Now if we compare equation 1 and 4, as you can see, values are same. Sin A is equal to BC upon AC and cos C is also BC upon AC. And from equation second and third, we can see the value of cos A, AB upon AC, and value of sin C is also AB upon AC. So from equation 1 and 4, we got sin A equals to cos C, and C we have written as 90 minus A because A and C are complementary angles. So we can replace C with 90 minus A. So we got our first formula of trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. Similarly, from equation second and third, we will get cos A equals to sin C, and C means 90 minus A. So cos A is equal to sin 90 minus A. This is second formula of trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. Similarly, you can get other formulas also. Tan and cot are related. Tan A is equal to cot 90 minus A. Cot A equals to tan 90 minus A. Secant and cosecant are related. Secant A is equal to cosecant 90 minus A, and cosecant A is equal to secant 90 minus A. Let us solve some examples based on these formulas. Evaluate tan 65 upon cot 25. First of all, check whether the given angles are complementary or not. 65 plus 25 gives us 90. That means we are dealing with complementary angles. Now, for solving the sum, we will be replacing one of the ratio. Either we will change tan in terms of cot, or we will change cot in terms of tan. Let us solve with tan only. We know that tangent A is equal to cot 90 minus A. Tangent A equals to cot 90 minus A. Now if we put A as 65, what will we get? Tangent 65 equals to cot 90 minus 65. We have replaced A with 65. 90 minus 65 means 25. So what will be getting? we will be getting that tan 65 is equal to cot 25. So we will be replacing tangent 65 with cot 25. What will you get? We will be getting cot 25 upon cot 25. If we replace cot 25 with tan 65, we will get tangent 65 upon tangent 65. Same case. So after cancellation, we got the answer as 1. Now in next sum, we said if it is given to us that sine 3a is equal to cos a minus 26 degree, we have to find the value of a. Sine theta or sine a is same as cos 90 minus theta. If we put theta equals to 3a, theta here equals to 3a, what will we get? We will get sine 3a equals to cos 90 minus 3. Now putting this equation in our question. So put equation number 1 in equation number star. What will we be getting? Comparing equation 1 and star. In place of sine 3a, cos 90 minus 3a again. And it was equal to cos a minus 26. Both the sides are in terms of cos. So removing this cos, we get 90 minus 3a equals to a minus 26. Now shifting like terms to one side, we get 90 plus 26 equals to a plus 3. 116 equals to 4a, and after cutting 116 upon 4, we get a as 29 degree. This is what they have asked us. Next example. In next example, they said express cot 85 in terms of trigonometric ratios of angles between 0 degree and 45 degree. They have given us an angle which is more than 45. They are saying express it in terms of angle between 0 and 45. Means it should be less than 45, more than 0. This is cot theta. Now cot theta or cot A is same as tangent 90 minus theta, which implies, so if we put cot in place of theta, if we write 85 degree, putting theta as 85 degree, we will be getting cot 85 is equal to tan 90 minus 85. Now tan 90 minus 85 will be equals to tangent 5 degree. So what we have done? We have expressed the angle 85 degree in terms of trigonometric ratios of angles between 0 and 45. So see, our angle has came 5 degrees. So it is between 0 and 45.